Hey everybody, this is Stephanie and I'm here to show you two or more appliances that I have that are bakeware. Okay, this one here, this is the Fat Daddio, and I have two Fat Daddios right here, and these are three of my spring form pans that come in a set. So let me just talk about this spring form set first. All right, this is it came in this box right here. That's what it came in, and it says that it is quick release latch, easy to clean, BPA, food safe, and it's oven safe for up to 425 degrees, durable, non-sticking, removable bottom. So yeah, this is a nice spring form kind of a set here, and the sizes, I believe that this is like a 7-inch right here. This one is a 9-inch right there, and this one here is the biggest one. It's like an 11-inch, so you can make a big old pound cake, not pound cake, but a big old cheesecake up in here, or any kind of cake you want. You know what the latch is about. Let me also tell you that this comes with this scraper, so you can, like, when you are frosting the cake, you can use this as a scraper to get the frosting off. Plus it comes with different sizes of parchment paper for each one. So it comes with the biggest one right here. Let me take her out. So it comes with some parchment paper too to get you started with, okay? Which is a nice thing. So it's a nice little set. And I bought it because I have another spring form set, but it's really time to get it was really time to get something different. So I bought another one, and so I bought this 3 set, and I can use it anywhere I want. Now I want to talk about the Fat Daddy. And by the way, you can use these if they fit in your appliances, like your Instant Pot, Ninja, whatever. These will still fit in here because they're of the size of each one, which is a good thing. And that's a reason I have these, because these will also fit in your Ninja, in your appliances that you want to bake in. And they're small though, but they'll fit in here. This is one of the best ones that will fit in here. And it will make a cheesecake also. And it makes cakes. It's got a non-stick surface here. Needle and none of them. I would make sure that I still put some kind of stick baking spray or something on there, or some butter, or whatever I have to do to make sure it does not stick, because I don't care that it does have this stuff on it. I want to make sure that my cake releases. So anyway, these are the two different kinds of bakingware that I have, and I wanted to just show you these, okay?